Previously on Playing Every Game I Own Challenge.
I think a demon just arrived in my house.
I don't like that.
Due to the dog, there will now be ASMR Frozen Olaf's Quest. Hey yo, my boy. If you don't play 6 movie video games on a white Nintendo DS Lite next to a waterfall at a high point, I will kill you. Ya boy. Jeff Donovan. Real. Correction. It's okay if you only do 5. Looks like I gotta find a high point next to a waterfall.
It's the next day. You know what I always say? Let's get it.
Looks like I gotta climb a 16-mile high mountain to get over there.
It's a little noisy right next to the waterfall, so I'll be going down a little bit again, but I mean it's still near the waterfall, so hopefully this satisfies Jeff Donovan real.
I forgot a tripod, but hopefully that's okay with Jeff Donovan as well. Anyway, we got Megamind, the blue defender.
If I'm ever caught playing with something other than the classic 3DS stylus, shoot me in the face. This is, of course, movie game number 1. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if you can see the screen. Yeah, there's no way you're seeing the screen here. There we go. Was able to find a better spot. Look, it's me, Megamind. And if you know me, I hate construction workers. Get dead, construction worker. Yeah, on to the next game. I'm keeping these quick. Guys, look at this place. It's kind of shady, isn't it? Second movie game. The Sorcerer's Apprentice. This is definitely the weirdest task that Jeff Donovan Real has ever given me. Not gonna lie. Like, he's always been just giving me stuff to do with fidget spinners, fidget cubes, but you know, this has definitely got to be the weirdest. Not gonna lie. You know me, I hate trash bags, so I will shoot them heavily. And like I said, we're keeping this quick. Get out of here. Trash bag of a game, that is. Cats and Dogs, The Revenge of Kitty Galore, the video game. I want every person to leave a comment, every single one of you. Should I or should I not get some new shoes? Vote in the comments. Let's go. I'm a pigeon. That's what I'm talking about, son. Man, I love being a pigeon. It's my favorite thing to do in video games. Huh. Yeah. Pigeon time, baby. I'm a legendary pigeon. Yeah, get wrecked. Keeping it quick. Atlantis, the Lost Empire. We don't care about the cutscenes. Okay. Let's go, Milo. Climbing a ladder. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, he's kind of a legend. He can climb ladders. And he can jump. Let's go. Oh my god. He can do that too? Holy crap. We're keeping it quick. We're keeping it quick. I don't care. Over the hedge, Hammy goes nuts. You wanna know why I'm keeping this that quick? Because I don't like you, Jeff Donovan. Oh my god, turn off the fire hydrant. I guess I gotta technically play, right, for this to work, so, okay, Okay, I've technically played. There you go. There you go, that's all you're getting. I'm done, Mr. Jeff Donovan. I'm gonna go look at the waterfall again. Dang, son, people really like to leave their trash around here. Dang. Hey, look. More garbage. I'm actually gonna take this garbage home. More content.
Yeah. You know how many times I've been up here, man? Skipping classes at that school over there. What the? Hey, oh my boy. You actually did it. So as a reward, here is your prize. iCarly remote that I stole from you. Cheers, your boy, Jeff Donovan, real. Well, Jeff Donovan, I honestly did not realize this was gone. Like, what the? But I did think that you were gone, so this is just immensely weird, man. You know, I gotta be honest with you, I am surprised by the weather. It is October now. Sometimes it's snowing by now, so if we can, just give the weather a round of applause. It's good to have you back, even though I barely knew you were gone.
I just got these 2 games in the mail. This one would have been helpful, you know, yesterday, because I wouldn't have had to have the whole window breaking scare. I know it didn't break, but I thought it did for a second. Anyway, let's play the garbage game. Cyberpunk 2077. Can I shoot him? Can I please shoot him? I want to shoot him in the face. Oh! Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, I can't. Dang it, it's not letting me shoot him!
Target could have possibly flatlined already. I'm sure you're in time.
We're in time.
Please, what?
Sure you're all
Let me out of here! Let me out! Let me out! I'm claustrophobic!
Ho ho ho!
Stop it, Patrick! You're scaring him!
Can you move? 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 Oh. Finally. Finally! Get him! Wait, straight in the head and he didn't die? Alright, well. Alright. Nice game you got here. What the? Oh man, I'm out of here. Sackboy! A big adventure. Nutsack boy. That thing is ugly! I just want to punch that thing right in the face. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. Ugh, I hate pumpkins. You're dead. Oh, never mind. Now you're dead, loser. I'm like Olaf in Frozen Olaf's Quest. Oh! I'm like Crash Bandicoot in Crash Bandicoot 2 Cortex Strikes Back.
Boogie.
But I know I've specifically stated in the past that if I do not have the green Madagascar karting accessory attached to the Wii Remote, something horrible is going to happen, right? I gotta be honest with you, I can't find it. I know. What the? That man is unsettling, what can I say? Boogie 2988. I'm gonna play as the unsettling man, Bubba. Let's go, Bubba. I think that's a perfect username, don't you?
Show me what you learned. Well done. That bar over there, that is your beat indicator. This shows you the beat of the song.
That's some amazing gameplay right there.
I love this game! I love it so much! My god.
The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Let it be known that the Wii U Pro Controller is actually the worst controller ever. Oh my god, a chicken. I'm gonna kill this chicken. I should get it. Yeah, yeet. Yo. Yo. Get out of here, chicken.
Nobody likes you. Ugh.
Oh snap, I made him drop an egg. Hey, bird egg.
What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, I think we need to add Kurt Angle to the mix! Dang, Kurt Angle would have been so helpful there. Not even going cap. Oh god. Yo, come here. Hey. Hey, you're not fooling anybody. Bah! Dingus. Give me that crap. Huh. Guess I really am just a legendary gamer. Gotta do some landscaping here. Just doing some lawn mowing. Yeah, this is how it was before modern machinery. Boy, we're hard workers. We're hard workers before modern machinery, man. Cutting down trees with the same thing that we cut down our grass with. And then we get some bundles of wood straight from a log. Yeah.
Restless Cricket, come back here.
You know what, just for that, I'm gonna go hit a goat with a sword. Dang, now I just feel bad. He looks sad. Pet, 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 pet. Oh! Dang, I almost shot the dog. Oh my god. What's up, doggy? Yeah! Caught your tail. Huh. Lol. Check this out. Finally get to play this. You know it, Ralph. You know it, Felix. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. That's what I'm saying to that scorpion that I just absolutely decimated. Because I'm Wreck-It Ralph. Man, I hate Wreck-It Ralph. Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas.
Graffiti. That's illegal. Get out of here.
I'm gonna do just what I do in pretty much every other GTA game and just drive. I'm just gonna drive around. Yeah. Yeet. Uh-oh, we got copyrighted music. Gotta talk completely over it. Oh god, I forgot the controls because I've been used to GTA 5. So I've been literally... Oh my god, I keep why the brake? Oh my god, this is the oh my god. Oh my god, the copyrighted music, everything, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Oh my god. Yeet. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay there. Yeah. I feel like anyone could always go for some Minecraft. Named after a fallen brother. Oh my god. I finally get to use this little nub. Boom, boom, boom. Building a house. Let's go. This is quite the living space, if I do say so myself. That music though. Oh, look, I don't even have to build a house. Nice. They already got a house for me. How about that? Ooh. What's in there?
Oh my god, is that what I think it is? A diamond?
I don't care. Oh! Well, guess that's the end of this playthrough. Here will be the last game of the video. Terraria. Now, we all know the Wii U gamepad has its own stylus. You already know. Going with this. I mean, how could you play with anything other than this? Look at this, it's so fun. You can go like that with it. Whoa. No! No, not the Miiverse! My god. That's so upsetting. You know, I said the Wii U Pro controller was the worst controller, but I wasn't really thinking of this as a controller. This is actually the worst controller. Hello, Tanner. Shut up. Why are you outside then? It's not safe to be outside at night like I am right now. I can actually barely see anything, so maybe it is unsafe. Let's get down here. Oh snap. A zombie. Now that's something that I will not feel bad about killing. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Nice. I got coins. Oh god! Maybe I should have listened to Tanner. Oh my god. Tanner, my man. What's going on? Tanner is just not helpful at all. Oh god. A thing. It's an eyeball. I recognize you, eyeball. I recognize you anywhere. You're the eyeball, man. Aye. Alright. That about does it for today's video. Let's see what other quests Jeff Donovan Real sends me on in the next video. Bye-bye!